So today, guys, we're gonna get more film of our Promoto MX on a paddle tire. Since the battery only lasts 8 minutes, we only got one battery. We got to run it back every day. So let's go get it. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
the
wow.
rooster. Why are you hitting me, bro? Ow, ow.
Because I can't steer.
Ow, ow. Hey, cut that out. It's Losi, dude. Ow, ow. I think this thing's garbage, Brett. Maybe you just need to go play out in the field, Brett. Go send it across the field.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Open field, amazing.
Dink!
Look at this right here.
The rooster tail sounds so cool.
That does.
Well, the paddle sounds so cool.
No.
Oh! Not the bitch!
I killed him. I killed him.
Brett, that was not meant for that.
Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, here you go, Byron. I'll let you play with it. We got one more battery for it. So much grip.
Tire's undone.
Oh,
That could be a problem.
yeah. That could have been a problem.
It needs to be glued.
Dude, look at all the grass you got by the exhaust. Oh, this thing is so cool on the paddle.
I didn't see you there.
I can't wait to bring this to the sand dudes. Not the pole either.
It was not steering. Oh.
Oh, oh. Paddle tire is sick. What do you think about the all orange, Byron?
Don't get me wrong, I'm a KTM fan, but I would have loved to have blue.
Love to have a Yamaha.
Yeah.
That was sick. You can definitely feel the better grip on it.
Oh yeah.
His shirt's just flapping in the wind.
Why does it have reverse?
Dang, my motorcycle doesn't have reverse.
Yeah. Oh dude, can you see that? Watch it. It does that.
Does it by itself?
Yep.
We got the paddle tire on here, let's check it out. And we also loosened it up. So it still is cutting my power. Ah! Come on, big dog.
I'm a big dog. Dude, look at this rut. Oh my gosh.
What rut? This rut?
No.
All right, let's go.
The back of this phone is just covered with dirt. Wow. Your chain is locked up. Did you get something caught up in the... Put it in reverse, Terry. Oh, no. There's just so much dirt in the chain.
Oh, my plastic.
Oh, no.
Oh yeah, there's this little stick right here.
There you go.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Oh. I just got covered with dirt.
Oh. We'll let Byron play. Actually, we'll let you play with it. You never.
I think that's a horrible idea.
Good luck. Good luck, Austin.
You already...
Let's see. Overcome the learning curve.
Hey, what we should do is go to flat ground for him right now, because this is kind of hard to...
Yeah, we can go up the hill to the flat ground if you want. It's unlike any RC you've ever played with, right?
You gotta get it going. You can't just pump right around all the time, or else you're not gonna go nowhere. Gotcha.
Now you understand why we tip over so much?
Yeah. That's my tires locked up again.
Is it actually? It's these brakes. So this brake right here, this brake locks up. Get that sticky out. Yeah. Sticky, icky,
The turning is so... Turning on this thing is, that's the learning curve.
Yeah, it is. Let's go up here to open field. There it goes, jump. Oh, he's riding a wheelie. Oh, no. Oh, ride that wheelie. What do you guys think of it so far?
Yeah, we'll say most definitely there is a learning curve, but it is a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That is a deep rut, Robert.
That went like whoop.
See if that front's locked up again. Yep. So it's this little brake right here. You gotta either push it down or push it up. You got a little bit of battery left. The paddle tire just sucks down the battery. Nice jump.
Oh, that was dope.
Landed it. Need to loosen it up more.
Probably got a lot of dirt up in it or something.
I don't think a lot of people actually use these things. I think they just get them and keep them on the shelf. Nice. Got trigger happy.
All right. Well, we're by the water.
No. No, Byron, we're not putting it in the water.
It'll water skim beautifully. Watch. It's gotta have.
Bro. It is angry. Say, get away from the water. When Byron's on a controller, anything's liable to happen.
That guy just took me out.
He got taken out by the tree. Get her back to the trunk. What'd you think about it, Austin?
It was really fun. Once you got past the learning curve and figuring out where to play with it, it's really fun.
Yeah. Oh, it's dead. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed another paddle tire video.
Carry this thing by the head. Don't hold it by the arms. And just swing it.
It tries to fight you.
See.
Yeah, the gyro fights you.
RC dirt bike.
Who said that?
There's a guy and his kid over there. He was like, that guy's got an RC dirt bike.
Bro, he's got adapters on adapters out here. I love the little V8 out the front. All right, Austin, tell us what you got here.
Alright, so this is a Traxxas 4Tech that has been put through the ringer.
Yeah.
It now has a Spectrum 6S system in it.
Okay.
And it is an Aussie-inspired burnout car.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! Oi, oi, oi!
Oi, mate!
Right, just simply to burn off back tires.
Oh, I love it.
Literally it.
Let's see how she does. I got an idea. Go put it up against the wall. Oh, it's hot. I can smell it. Tires are getting smoky. All right. Now, hold on. Oh yeah. Woo! I think it's eating into the concrete. The Traxxas tires do last a while. Look at all that. Yeah. Oh my gosh. You were right down the middle of them.
Oh, there goes the battery.
Went low power mode. Hey man, that was still
low power. It'll still smoking though.
Yeah, dude, look at all the rubber.
So much rubber.
Oh my gosh. That looks like Parmesan cheese in another life.
She's warm, but some nasty Parmesan cheese. Look at that.
Oh, the soot coming off the tires onto the motor.
But there's like, it turned white right here, and I don't know what it turned white from.
It's just eating into the concrete. Wow, man, that was cool.
It's gonna get an even bigger pinion here. It's maybe like 10 or 15 teeth off the size of the spur.
Oh wow.
So it's gonna be rowdy.
Pretty close. Well, that was fun, man. Definitely think it threw up a lot of rubber.
Those are hot.
I don't doubt it, dude. Thanks for blowing out some tires for us today.
Definitely do it again.